Hello team, so this is a portal clone. Here you can check, this is the front end. User can easily register. They can check like content or services, which services we are providing. Here you can check all the data. Here you can check like the rider driver can easily sign up. They can become as a company as well. Here you can check like application. They can change languages. They can change currency as well. Here you can check terms and conditions, privacy policy of our services. Here you can check help us. User can easily sign up if they want to sign up with us, so they can sign up like as a driver, rider, or company. They can sign in. They can check if they require any help. They can go in our help center as well. Okay. Here help center will open in 1 or 2 seconds. Allow me. Okay, so it will open here. So here you can search for anything. Here we will set up FAQ or any regarding query, then we can set up all the things here. Okay, then we will go in for admin panel. Here you can check admin panel. You can check dashboard like earning, rider, driver, tips, CS graph, calendar. You can check all the data here. Then we have recent rider request, which you can check it here, or you can manage that. Okay, then we have admins. So all admin data will come here. That data you can check it here. Admin user. Okay, just allow me seconds. So that user will come here. You can add if you want to add. You just need to give allow them any role. With those roles, they can easily manage your solutions easily. Okay, now let me share how we can make rules. If you click on the rules options, okay, here you can add rules. Just allow me a few seconds. I think my internet is a little bit slow, that's why it's taking a few seconds. You can create multiple roles. You just need to click on add roles and then you can create your roles. These are permission. You can just click on any box and then that permission assign on those rules. Okay, then we have a company. So here you can check all the company data. So here we set up some company data. You can create multiple company. These are company data which company have loss of taxi, truck and something. Who want to work on with you, then they will connect with you on some commissions. So on commission basis they will connect with you or they will get commission. So here you can check driver data. Here you can check all driver data are here. You can check first name of driver, last name, company name, email, gender. You can add it, delete. You can add driver. All data are here. After that, rider data you can check. After that, for driver we require lots of documents like driving license, insurance we have, and many other solutions. So you can ask that document here. You can just click on add documents, select document for driver or vehicle, then vehicle name, document name, expiry on date and status, and you can create. Then we have send message. So if you want to send message to anyone, then you can send message to any specific user. Then manage emails we have, so send email. So if you want to send email to all members or any specific, then you can send. Here are email settings. So here you can set up your SMTP, so mail system will be work for you. After that, manual booking we have. So here you can check all booking, like you can add your pickup location, drop-off location, and you can create manual booking. Here you can check all types of manual booking are here. You can check or you can manage that. Then we have a vehicles. So you can add vehicles according to your requirement. Like currently we are working like Porter, so we need multiple types of trucks, three-wheeler, or who are providing these types of services. So like we currently adding Mahindra, Maruti, Tata. Okay, then we will go for models like Mahindra 8-feet truck, 7-feet truck, Eco with helper, Ace 407, and many more. After that, vehicle types. Here you can create like cold chain, reefer truck, van reefer, three-wheeler reefer, bike cold, e-rickshaw wheeler. These types of vehicle we can add. Then if any driver add their vehicle, their data will come here. You can approve, then that the vehicle will live, or you can create any vehicle behalf of any driver. Then additional regions we have, so here you can set up multiple additional regions. Here you can add cancel region. Then we have a locations, so here you can add location, in which location you are running your services you can add. So we are using geofencing service, so you just need to add geofencing options, it will work for you. So you can create any box like that, so in this area your service will be run. Okay, after that we have a fare. So here you can manage your fare, like in which location and which vehicle they are, which type of running. Okay, you can select location, vehicle type, base fare, capacity, minimum fare and all. So vehicles fare will be added. Then trip we have, so here you can manage trip, here you can manage your payout, OA amount, here you can manage statement, like overall statement we have. So here you can check all types of statement. Then we have statement like driver statement. So driver wise statement you can check it here, you can view by ride as well. Then we have wallet and promo, so you can manage wallet amount, you can manage promo code as well. So this is a rider, here you can check wallet data, you can add wallet, you can add it, delete. Okay, then we have a promo code, then we have a rider as well. Here you can check refer rider, so here you can check refer rider, refer driver. Then map we have, so in map all things are live, like if driver was there, so driver was live here. See, in India, just like this, in India many locations are there where our driver or rider are there. So you can check that driver or rider live locations, like in Delhi we have a driver, so see driver data, driver sign and rider sign. So these stuff you can check live location as well. Then we have a heat map, mobile app versions. Then we have API credentials, so here you can set up your own Google Map API, FCM and other things for like live location and all. Oh, these are gateway which we are using: PayPal, Stripe, Paytm, Dataway, Braintree and many more. You can use any gateway, it will be work for you. Then you can set up your fees like rider service, driver service, peak fare and all, you can manage that. Then we have refer setting, multi-currency, so here you can set multi-country. Then we have multi-currency, we have multi-language, we have, then we have some settings as well. So here you can set up like payment currency, in which currency, like driver kilometer, pickup kilometer, drop kilometer, means in how much kilometer we are running that things, heat map hours, like COVID features, driver request seconds, and these are some features. So I already show you the admin panel, so if you have any doubts or query here, then you can contact with me. So now I'm going to show you the application demo. So this is the application. First we select location where we will so this is a live location which I'm going to show you first. So this is our live location. When we search where we want to go, so here first is our live location, then we select Noida. Okay, then we can check these vehicle which we had registered here. Okay, we can book as well. Let me show you other things as well. So here we select a e-rickshaw, then we can book that if I want to book. Here we can check capacity, fare and all. Okay, and then here you can check other things, like here you can request for booking. I request for booking. Agar if any rider is running in our area or anyone is active, then that request will go there, then they will accept. Currently no one is live, that's why it's not coming. So let me log in with driver login as well, then we can connect both and then I will show you all things live. So just seconds. Here we see other data, like here you can check your profile data, like your name, your number, email. Then we have a payment. Here you can check like cash, online, or how much wallet amount we have. Okay, here you can add your promo code and all. Then we have your trip history. You can manage that as well. Then we have other options, like here if you want to connect with admin, then you can connect with admin easily. You just need to click on a call option, then it will be going on your dialer option, and then you can make a call. You can cancel that request as well if you want, and you can complete call as well. Okay, then we have other options as well, like here you can check handicap accessory, or other like child seat is available or not. You can manage that as well. Then let me show you. I already log in as a driver in my second phone, so we can connect both applications, and I will show you. So see, here you can check pending trips, complete trips. So this is a driver panel which I am going to show you. Here we can check trip data. Here then you can check earning, how much earning we had done, how much earnings we have, like that. Then we have rating and vehicle informations. Here we can check all types of vehicle information which we have created. Okay, then here like how much amount we are ready with, which amount we will need to pay to admin. So we can add money and then we can pay. Currently we had not set up any payment gateway currently, that's why it's not done. Okay, you can register with us, or you can share, add your API key here, then it will be work for you. Okay, now let me go back. Here you can check other options as well. These are our refer settings. Then we have some settings, so like manage document, manage payout, currency, language. Here you can check all types of currency, in which currency you are running. So here you can set up your own currency. Okay, here you can select a vehicle, in which vehicle you are running. So means we can register our vehicle, like more than one vehicle we can set up, and we can manage it. Okay, if you want to add any vehicle, then you can add vehicles. That options also we have. Okay, this is our live location. Here you can check rider live locations. Sorry, driver live location. This is the driver live location. Okay, then let me show you other option as well. So here on the top, here you can check online and offline options, so you can easily off yourself. Okay, so now this is the again rider application which I'm going to show you. Now I will book my ride, and then I will show you. Here we select a vehicle, and then we request for book. Here you can check, oh, I already accepted. So now you can check both are connected. Okay, both are on the same location. You can check like green point is customer, and car option car sign is car or driver. Okay, here you can check your OTP. So that OTP will share with um, driver, then ride will be start. Okay, here see, we go for book. Okay, here as a driver, now I ask for OTP. I will add my OTP here, then ride will start. Okay, so after the ride complete, we can book. So let me show you where we need to go. So this is a live, so it will show you where we need to go. See that green point, you can check. This is the green point where rider want to go. So all types of fare will run automatically, like how much distance you have covered. According to that, fare automatically will generate. If you now I complete the ride, then I ask for extra fare if any. Then if not, then we can book it. We can give rating to rider or driver at the same time. So here this is the driver panel, so I just look at give review, and this is a driver panel, rider panel. So now I just giving review to driver. Here I can complete transaction with my wallet currently. Yeah, here I just completed. Okay, now let me proceed. Payment complete successfully. Now again ready to book. See, here you will get notification related to complete transaction. Okay, so this is the panel.